Hello, we are back here at Denby Dale and there's been a fair bit of progress made. It's only been a week since we last saw this one. We've got another skip load going out today. This is all the leftovers from the walls thus far. You'd be surprised how much a skip can fill up from just a little bit of plaster. Not a great deal to show you visually. A lot of incremental work has happened to re-support certain structures in the building and some of the brickwork, as I will show you. We'll go all the way through first. All right. So here we are in here, more of the strip outs happened in here. So we got all of this needs to get in the skip. We've got that wall has now come down. And then let me just explain what's going to happen here. So as I mentioned in the last video, we had a slight confusion as to what's going to happen with this wall. Now we've stripped everything back. We know we need to get a steel beam in from that end all the way to this supporting wall here. And you can see the state of the wall is not great. And this is what the last week has been, is to fix some of the structural vulnerabilities in the brickwork. And also taking down a few more bits, but it's mostly just the strip out stage. This is the messy bit where no one really wants to be on site. But yeah, we need to get a steel beam in there. We'll need to re-support the floor joists to get the beam in the first place. And that's going to be an added cost. But it's a few £100 for the beam. The label's already covered by the initial quotation, so we're not too worried about it. But once that's done and the chimneys are fully taken out upstairs, then the strip out will be finished by the next time we're here. And then they can crack on with putting in all the joinery and everything like that. And then it will start to take shape. This is pretty much all to show you. And I'll take you upstairs. So again, not much more to show here. There's been a bit more of a strip out going on. They've ripped up the floorboards to see, just to double check what exactly was holding up the boards, and it is just a brick wall, so hence we know we need to get the steel beam in. This side, all the lintels are being replaced. We were only going to replace 4 or 5 initially, but instead we're just going to replace the whole lot. It's about 8 or 9 lintels that need to be replaced, from the rotted wooden lintels to these nice new concrete ones. This one's just gone in today. Other than that, we've just got here, first half of the chimney stacks being taken out. With this process, again, it's about re-supporting the chimney from above and the floor joists, the joists for the ceiling in the attic. And then once that's done, then ripping out the brickwork and then tidying up afterwards. And they'll get the steel brackets up there afterwards to keep the chimney up. And that'll give us all the space we need for our ensuite. And then the same this side is about to happen in the next 2 days to get rid of this one. And there's all the space there. You can see how much is opened up. And then we're going to come back in a week's time and talk through exact layouts, finishes, electric sockets, basically everything to do with the finishes for the property and the next few steps. Just so there's no confusion. We've had to change a few little bits slightly on this one because of some of the indifferences structurally. It will stick mostly to the plans we had initially. 7-bed HMO, 7 en suites, all double rooms, all good sizes. That's the main thing that matters. And then we can start looking at pulling it into shape and getting the finishes arranged, which is, and then from there on out, it's their 2-month process to us having this finished and on the market. And hopefully we can beat the Christmas rush, or we may have to wait till January to let it. And I'm wearing a shirt today.
It's a new shirt, it looks really good.
Yeah. Thank you, British Heart Foundation. Appreciate you. Hammersmith Road, if you haven't been already. They don't sell this anymore because I took it.
They only sold the one.
They only sold the one to me. Yeah, nice one. See you soon. Oh, wait, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because you're going to get these videos every week now. We've got a lot of projects on the go. And also, this isn't a given yet. Just through there, literally, I don't know if you can see that building, but there's a building there. And just behind that building is another project, which we're looking to take on, and it'll be another 7-bed HMO.
Very similar to this.
And it is a like-for-like shop and uppers, really good property. We've not secured it yet, so we're running an appraisal on it now. Gone and seen it today with Eric. It may just be that that's another purchase of ours. We've got 2 other active sites up in the north at the moment, and they're about to add a 3rd one there. So a lot going on, very busy, but it feels good. Subscribe.